Oh, you're putting the sausage back in its own grease to sear it?
You got it.
Oh, okay.
Nice and healthy.
Yeah. That's exactly what I was
We
thinking.
got a pill for that.
Oh, God. Nice. Hello, friends, and welcome back to our kitchen. Tonight was Friday,
Friday night?
November the 8th. And we are making pepperoni rolls and naan bread pizzas. That's what's for dinner. We watch the Bunkies over on Jessica O'Donoghue's channel. And my husband was just saying, oh, Mr. Bunky would be so proud of the... what did you say? The consistency in the cuts. So what'd you do? Flatten it down?
It collapsed.
Oh, okay. And then you just roll it on itself?
It's rolling on itself.
Pepperoni roll. These really are very good. And they're simple. They're such a simple little thing, and they're so delicious. Here, we're going to show you one more.
It just collapsed.
It just collapsed. What are these yeast rolls?
Yeast rolls.
Just regular in the freezer
The orange
section.
bag.
Just whatever yeast rolls you can get your hands on in the freezer section at the grocery store. Nice. We're going to make our own Italian seasoning because we're going to attempt to. He was at Aldi and forgot to get the Italian blend. So this is what he's going to use to make the Italian seasoning. This is going to go on the naan bread pizzas and the pepperoni rolls. Pepperoni rolls going in. Convection bake 325, 10 to 15.
Follow the bag. Here.
Follow the bag instructions. Now we're going to cook up some sausages and cut them up to go on our naan bread pizzas. Oh, that's going to be good. Oh, you're putting the sausage back in its own grease to sear it?
You got it.
Oh, okay.
Nice and healthy.
Yeah. That's exactly what I was
We
thinking.
got a pill for that.
Oh, God. So olive oil. Are we going to bake them first before we put the roasted garlic, or are you just going to slap all the layers on?
No. I'll let the olive oil soak in.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'll smear it with the roasted garlic.
Mm-hmm.
Then put some of this garlic.
Mm-hmm.
Hit it with some of the makeshift Italian seasoning. Then I put too much basil in. And then I'll smear it with sauce.
Oh, it smells good. It smells good.
And then we'll hit it with some pepperoni, some of them olives, some or peppers, and then some of the olives, and some roni, and some more mutts.
Awesome. All right, so the roni rolls are out. They're on the racks, cooling down. So we're going to smear the roasted garlic. Now just regular chopped garlic and EVOO. What we do every week is we roast up garlic and we put them in these little containers. So we have roasted garlic in one container and we have chopped garlic in extra virgin olive oil in another container. This way we have all the garlic we need because we love garlic.
It's good for you.
Our makeshift Italian seasoning. Dusting from the top.
Yeah, well, I don't want to get too much.
Yeah, I know.
Because I got to put another layer.
Yeah. All right, marinara, correct? Mama Cozy's from Aldi.
You got it.
Yep, it's
Not
good
bad
stuff.
stuff.
It's really good. And this is the rehydrated peppers.
Yeah, this is the stuff we inherited.
This is an experiment.
I'm only going to put it on 2 or 3 because I don't know what they taste like.
This is the Bridgeford pepperoni we purchased from Walmart. This is where you make it your own. Now this pepperoni is actually really very good. But we still prefer the one from Walmart. I feel like it's less greasy. Do you feel like that?
It's a better pepperoni.
Yeah.
And you can cut it to the thickness you want. And the stick weighs more than the bag, but pound for pound. The stick is cheaper. You get more pepperoni for less money.
Gotcha. So basically, this is where you make your own. You do whatever you want. We're doing pepperoni, some hydrated peppers. What are we doing? Mozzarella,
What's
olive. We have Kalamata olives. We're just throwing stuff on the naan bread. It doesn't matter what you put on it. It always turns out so good. Also going to add some of these hot sausages and the Kalamata olives. We're going to have a good dinner. Get some tamed jalapenos, and now he's going to go in with the mozzarella on top.
You got the sausage in there?
Oh, yeah, I think I did. Yeah, I got the sausage. So basically, we just make our own pizzas. A lot of times, I do like to only have a veggie pizza, but tonight we're doing a bunch of meat, and that's fine.
Meat lover night.
Yeah, it is a meat lover night. It's going to be great. What do you bake these at?
I think it's 375 till the cheese melts and it's a brown color I like.
Yeah.
15-20 minutes. Not even that much.
Yeah. It really doesn't take that long. And it's a perfect Friday night meal. Pepperoni rolls and naan bread pizzas. That's what's for dinner tonight. Friends, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it made you hungry, and I hope you try these recipes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.